If you've been using CRM for the last few years, you may have noticed that there's a button in the ribbon called Visualize this view, and it has this little yellow icon, and that's the Power BI icon. Now, if you've never clicked on it, you're missing out on a powerful tool to create visualizations and dashboards out of your CRM data. So we're going to create one here based on this view, and I'm going to click on Visualize this view. Now, it takes a few seconds for this to load, but when it does load, you'll see that it gives us a very nice pre-built dashboard, and we're going to now improve this dashboard to make it look even better. So for example, when I look at this first visualization, it's showing me actual revenue, which means a closed opportunity, by the estimated close date. This visualization over here shows me actual revenue by the actual close date. Now, this is a much more useful visual for me than actual revenue by estimated close date. We also can see it added a bar chart of actual revenue by the owners of the opportunities. And then finally, it added a chart for estimated revenue by estimated close date. One more thing that it added on this view here, the actual revenue by estimated close date, is it added a narration down at the bottom to give me some more information. Now, we're going to go in and make a few changes to this. First thing I want to do is I want to change this view from actual revenue by estimated close date to the actual revenue by the actual close date. So what I need to do with that is I need to click on this little personalize this visual icon. And I could change a lot of things at this point. So on this visualization, all I want to do is change the x-axis from estimated close date to actual close date. And now we see the chart looks just like this. It looks like we had some excellent revenue trends going from August all the way up through January. And February, things went bad. But now that it's March, things are beginning to turn around and we're starting to see some revenue. And the narration down here will describe this to us. So for example, it tells us that between January 19th of 2025 and March 9th, our revenue trended down a 46% decrease. That's all valuable, really good information. So we've got this report looking pretty good. Now I want to change this little chart dashboard, and I'm going to say, since this is basically a copy of this other one, I want to turn this into estimated revenue by estimated close date. So we go in, we change the x-axis to estimated close date, and we change the y-axis to estimated revenue. And we get this nice little chart. Now, one thing we could do if we want to is we could change the way the chart is visualized. So I can say I want to see a ribbon chart, or I can show a waterfall chart, which shows different ways of visualizing your revenue leading up to the total revenue on as of today. So we have opportunities all open from January 19th estimated closing dates all the way through April 2025 estimated closing.